Hello everyone, I am Nitin Jaggi. Welcomes you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today, I will be teaching you the topic Agriculture of Class 8. So let's start our today's topic. Now, agriculture. Agriculture is the most fundamental form of human activity and includes not only growing of crops but also domestication of animals. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word ager or agri meaning soil and culture meaning cultivation of tilling of soil. Now, let's discuss the physical factors which influence agriculture. The first is climate, next is soil, and next is relief and other factors. Now, let's discuss the first factor, that is climate. Climatic factors have the greatest control over the world distribution of agriculture types. Certain things are grown only in hot, cold, or temperate regions. The amount of rainfall is another factor which has a great bearing on agriculture. That is why wheat is the main crop of the temperate region and rice of the monsoon region. Now, our next factor is soil. Soil is another important factor in agriculture. Clay soil is more suitable for the cultivation of rice because it retains water for a long time. Fertile sandy soil is very useful for the cultivation of wheat, while black lava soil is important or suitable for growth of cotton. Rubber grows best on deep, slightly acidic soil. Now, the next factor is relief. Relief and altitude have also a great bearing on agriculture activities. Plains, river valleys, deltas are more suitable for cultivation than hilly areas. Crops are mainly grown in plains while sheep and cattle are reared in the mountains. Well drained hill slopes may be suitable for some crops like tea and coffee, while crops may require marshy canals like rice. Now, let's discuss types of agriculture: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Now, let's discuss the first one, that is subsistence agriculture. It is a form of primitive agriculture which represents the first human attempt to grow food for their subsistence. It found in some parts of equatorial and tropical forest where people use simple tools or implements and produce food for their own immediate use. This system includes three types of agricultural practices: nomadic herding, shifting cultivation, and intensive agriculture. Now, the first one is nomadic herding. It is practiced by people who rear cattle, sheep, goat, camel, and yak. The existence of these animals depend on the natural vegetation of the area they are found in. Herders move from one place to another in search of fodder. Now, the next one is shifting cultivation. The shifting cultivator clears a patch of ground by felling trees, cutting the bushes and grasses. These are then burned, and hence it is known as slash and burn agriculture. Sometimes the vegetation is burned without felling it. Cultivation is done with the primitive tools such as sticks and hoes, without the aid of machines or draught animals. Now, the next is intensive cultivation. This type is confined to monsoon lands of Asia. It is found in China, Japan, Korea, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and parts of insular Southeast Asia. The farmer in these regions work on their small size holdings with the help of their families. Now, now the next is commercial agriculture. In this type of farming, the main aim of the farmer is to produce crops for sale in the market. Therefore, crops specialization is one of its characteristics. Now, in commercial agriculture, the first kind of cultivation that we are having is the extensive agriculture. In extensive agriculture, the size of the farm is very large. The farming operations are fully mechanized and number of human laborers is very low. Tractors for plugging and seed drills for sowing and combined harvesters are used for threshing purpose. Now, next in commercial farming is mixed farming. Equal emphasis is laid on crop farming and livestock rearing in this kind of farming. Farm produce cereal crops but also fodder and cash crops. Modern machinery, selected seeds and chemical fertilizers are used. Crop rotation is practiced in this kind of farming. Now next in commercial agriculture is dairy farming. So cattle rearing, particularly rearing of milch cow to meet the demand of milk and milk products in urban areas is referred as dairy farming. It is an advanced type of farming involving use of scientific methods. Now next is plantation agriculture. So it means producing planted trees or bushes which gave yields over a period of years. This type of farm organization has developed within tropics and subtropics. It was developed in the early days of colonization when the industrial nations of the Western Europe wanted tropical and subtropical products for their manufacturing units. So that's the end of our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel SRN Knowledge Center to show your support. Thank you and have a nice day.